Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about interaction. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can change into s to the power of 2 over 3. This is about the cubic root, that's why we have 1 over 3 and we have the power 2. So we have number 2 multiplied by 1 over 3 and you got about 2 over 3. This one you got about s to the power of 1 over 3. So I will use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 2 over 3. If we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have 2 over 3 s to the power of 2 over 3 minus 1. And we know that this one, that's about negative 1 over 3. And this one we can write into 1 over s to the power of 1 over 3. So we change this one into u. 2 over 3 with 1 over s to the power of 1 over 3 ds. We change by du. So we will write the new one. That should be about the integration of sine u du. So the integration of sine u, we have negative cosine u. And we put about c. About cosine. About u, we change back to this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.